Hello, it's a home box dye video because we all love these. I didn't actually think I would have one of these on my channel ever again. 2 years ago I started going back to the salon. I was blonde, bright blonde, and I'm actually blonde now, and I know you're not going to believe me, but the idiot that I am, I tested a cool brown conditioner on my hair thinking that that would give me a bit of a break in my hair color that I needed just to buy some time to not go back to the salon or dye my hair at home, or give me an idea if I like brown hair or whatever I was trying to achieve with that. Also just to show on blonde hair what that color would do. I only did it about 3 days ago and I've been trying to wash it out, and it's not washing out, and it is getting lighter and lighter and lighter. I'll put in a picture here as to what it was. But this is my blonde. So this is the actual state of my hair. This is what it looks like now with just a colored conditioner. It is not a dye, so it will go back to the blonde. I'm just too impatient. I don't like this. It's not washing out quick enough for me, and I'm just done. I'm gonna jump on the viral 6R Light Auburn Clairol nice and easy hair dye. This is clearly copper. The reason I've selected this one is I really did like everyone's results, all the different variations of results depending on their hair color. I liked all of them. I'm not scared of this color, but also because my hair is blonde, I do need a filler color, like a ready toned dye on my hair, so that I can then go in and go brown over top of that. So just on my way down to getting back to darker hair, I just wanted to stop off a little bit at the old copper or red hair dye first. The color on the back, this is what it looks like. As I said, key thing to note is this is not my hair color. I am blonde from here down. I don't know what it's going to do over this color. Hopefully it's just strong enough to not impact it. I can't imagine it will, because there's no color in the hair, it's just on the top. But we will see. Hopefully this is not a fail video, but I'm going to go ahead and apply this and we'll come back with the results. So inside the box you get the color blend activator, there is some instructions and gloves. We have the color itself, so 6R Light Auburn, and also the conditioner, the color seal as well. Oh, it's been a while and I'm nervous. I just need to just do it.
We know that love is blind, and all the feelings inside, we've got to let it go and let it out tonight. We know that love is blind, and all the feelings inside, we've got to let it go and let it out tonight.
This was the final result and I am shocked. I'm shocked because when I said that I was looking for a filler color and I was just going to enjoy the kind of orangey hair on the way down to a brunette, this is the brunette shade I would have asked for. Hi Luna. I think this is so pretty. This is what I wanted. It is a really pretty auburn color, and this is what I would call the cowboy copper. I didn't expect to get it from a box. I thought, based on the videos I was watching, that it would be like more orange, like that's it, just more orange. I didn't expect this for my hair. My hair feels really nice having some pigment back in it. I feel prettier like this than I did the blonde hair, so I'm so grateful for that, because it's always really tough on the old soul where you've paid $200 to $300 every 6 to 8 weeks for the past 2 years to stay blonde, and then you are just like, I've had enough, done, not going to happen anymore, need something I can do at home for a break for a bit. What color do I go to where I actually still feel pretty? And this is it. I am so happy. It cost me $14. $14. What? Okay, anyway, I do plan on just doing touch-ups, so that was one of the main things for me as well, was kind of making note of what does it do to my root color, because it was my natural tone. And if it did a really good job, then I know that I can just buy a box and do my roots every 6 to 8 weeks on my own. So the root color is this, which I'm really happy with. It looks a little bit lighter here, but it looks like it's matching this. So I'm not sure what it does, to be honest. I'm gonna have to wait for like the next cycle, and I might just wait for it to be like this much regrowth. But yeah, it seems to be nice and even, and it's just pretty, and I'm happy, and I'm kind of like, I won with box dye. It's really reflective, as you can tell, like it is super shiny. I'm so happy. Sorry, I'm gonna sign off because I'm obviously just too happy I can't even speak. I will leave the product down below for the Amazon link if you want to go purchase this yourself. Any questions, leave them down below because I probably didn't answer them. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.